Ever wondered how to make a survey that's actually fun to fill out? Not the boring checkbox-ridden kind people abandon halfway, but one that keeps them clicking all the way through. I've tried all the top survey tools, and in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to create a fun, interactive survey that people actually enjoy, and stick around to the end, because I've got an exclusive free trial for the software we'll be using, only available to viewers of my channel. Let's jump in. First, forget those endless lists of text-based questions. People enjoy visual engagement. So instead of traditional question formats, we'll use images, emoji sliders, quick polls, and even GIF-based multiple choice. This software makes it insanely easy to swap out dull input fields for interactive elements that feel more like a game than a chore. Keep the flow snappy. Limit your survey to 5 to 7 questions max. Each one should feel like a tap, not a task. Use one question per screen with smooth transitions. This keeps momentum going and avoids overwhelming the person filling it out. Now, let's talk tone. A fun survey needs to sound human. Ditch the corporate speak. Instead of please indicate your satisfaction, try how did we do, add personality. Even little things like calling them by name. Yes, this software can personalize questions, adds a huge layer of engagement. Next, gamify it. Add a progress bar or even a quiz-like score at the end. The feeling of moving toward a goal makes people want to finish. You can even insert a fun little reward page or animation when they complete it. And don't underestimate visuals. A splash of color, background images, or icon-based answers go a long way in making the survey feel polished and playful. The software we're using comes with beautiful templates that you can customize in minutes. No design experience needed. One underrated tip, start with a surprising or funny question. Something like, if our service was a pizza, what topping would it be? Weird? Yep, but that's the point. It catches attention, lowers the formality, and sets the tone for a more relaxed experience. Before you publish, test it on yourself. If it doesn't make you smile or click through smoothly, tweak it. The beauty of this software is you can adjust on the fly and instantly preview the experience across devices. To recap, make it visual, make it quick, keep it casual, and always aim to surprise. People don't just want to fill out a survey, they want to feel something while doing it. That's how you make a survey that's fun to fill out. The key takeaway? Surveys don't have to suck. With a few smart tweaks and the right tool, yours can actually be enjoyable. And when they're enjoyable, people finish them and give better answers. Quick revision. Use engaging formats like emoji sliders and GIFs. Keep it short, under 7 questions. Write with personality, gamify where you can, and always test before you send. If you want to follow along and build your own fun survey today, grab the exclusive free trial for the software we used. It's linked in the description below, and it's only available to viewers of my channel. Thanks for watching. Go make something awesome.